I have a video that I have to make to upload to YouTube, and it's a video on uh, creating payloads and MSF Venom. So what I'm going to do here is I'm actually going to make that video for you over here in a tool called OpenShot. Okay, it's an open source video editing tool. I use this to make my YouTube videos currently, and um, it's very easy to get your hands on, and it's in my opinion fairly easy to use. In this video, I'm not going to be showing you how to record your screen, um, but I'll tell you the tool I use. It's actually OBS. It's a great open source recording tool. I use it for all of my screen captures. It's great. Um, there are a lot of good YouTube videos and other tutorials on OBS, so go ahead and open those up. But let's go through and let's edit a video to add to our to YouTube. Okay, so first things first, we need to find where our files are. So I'm going to go ahead and add those to my project here. File, import files. I'm not going to find it here. Okay, so there's my first video that I want. So this is me actually like creating the payload. Then I'm gonna add I did capture a video of me explaining this, so I'm gonna go ahead and import that one as well. You can also drag and drop this into your project, which is actually quite useful, and I do that often as well. Okay, so I've got two videos now. Next thing I do is I also like to have a sort of like a title screen. So let's go ahead and make a title screen. So for me, I'm using a photo editing software called Paint.net. So some people like it, some people don't. It's free, and I've used it so much now that I like sort of like I'm pretty well versed at it. So let's go ahead and open up Paint.net, and I'm going to pick a template that I like to work with. This one's good for me. Uh, give it a quick edit. I want the text to be white. Okay, make it a little bit bigger. Too big. Not bad, but the text is ugly. And so I'll pick one that I like, and everybody else will probably think it still looks ugly, but I kind of like it. All right, making custom payloads with MSF Venom. Boom. So we're gonna save as. Okay, so I got a picture. Now I'm gonna import this again. I'm just navigating to my folder that has this. All right, cool. The next thing that I like to prepare is getting the music ready. So I've learned how to add music to this, and it does add a different layer and a depth to the video. So what we do is we're gonna open up uh, uh, our browser, and we're gonna go to a website where you can grab free music. If you're going to be putting anything on YouTube, you got to be aware that of royalties and stuff. So if you put on somebody else's music and they find out, they could get your video taken down. So you need to go and find royalty-free music. So I like to have uh, ambient in the background, and then you give it a little test. Maybe that's too intense. So that's not bad. I think I've already got that one. But you gotta purchase it, right? So I pick ones that aren't downloading right now. I like that one. You do have to put this on your YouTube video if you're going to be posting it. So download. Okay, so I've downloaded it. We're gonna go back to our OpenShot editor, import that file. All right, great. So I have all the files that I would need. So what I like to do is I got the top here, and I leave this top spot for the music actually. So I put the music in, and when you scroll down, you can see that it will go for the allotted amount of time, so 2 minutes and 33 seconds. Doesn't mean your video has to be that long. You can add a song again if you want. But let's go ahead and put in this. You can right click, you can remove that, remove everything. You can make things longer. So here, let's put my splash screen in there. So I can make it longer so the picture will show up for a minute there, or I like to make it show up for like that amount of time because people get bored seeing splash screen that lasts too long. Throw in the intro video. I don't change how long that is, just drop it in there. From there, I throw the clip in. I mean, what I'm doing here is just basic editing, and I hope it's remotely helpful to you guys. Throw that in there. I like to have videos that have the end screen. I just leave it. I just drop it in there. Most people don't even actually make it to the end of this to see that. And then I like to have transitions. So over here in our transition side, we got all kinds of different options. But honestly, I either go with just sort of like a wipe or a circle in or out, or I've been enjoying just a basic fade right now. So I got like 3 different main moments where this happens, where we have a transition needed. Drag it, drop it, throw it in there, change how long it is. I also like at this point to like give it a quick watch, see what the fade looks like. Hey there. So I got another video. It's on. Boom. Great. Go to the top, and now we're gonna add music, and I've been putting it over here so that it starts at the same time as my intro. We'll go down and we'll see that it also ends. So we're not going to drag it, but what we're going to do is actually just add it again because I chose ambient music, so it doesn't really matter. It doesn't really matter if it sort of like loops because this sort of all sounds the same anyways. Bring it in again, and it's a little long, right? I don't need my YouTube video to be almost 8 minutes long with just a black screen and music at the end. So what we do here is we're going to cut right there and delete it. You can also just hit backspace, boom, it's gone. So there we go. If we click up here, we can. It looks pretty good. I'm enjoying that. I'm enjoying that music. The challenge though is that the music can be really loud and overbearing, and you don't want people to be like, "Whoa, what's going on?" So come on in here, go to volume. You can do this. You can edit the volume for the start, the end, but I just do the end of the clip, and you can't see it on your screen, but there's an option for level 10. So I go down to the lowest, and so now this clip is at 10% volume, which is good because that means when I'm talking in my intro, I can hear myself talking, but still have sort of like that nice ambient music in the background. So let's go ahead and listen to it. Hey there. So I got another video. It's on actually machine 6 in my 92 machine challenge, and there was a really cool thing that I learned. And man, machine 6 has a ton of learning. There was an opportunity to create a payload and upload it to an FTP server that was hosting an ASP.NET. Start a reverse shell, and I'm glad I've got this video as a reference. Payloads is a really good skill, I believe. Let's have fun. All right. Awesome. I love it. Okay, so I'll pause that, and really, this is basic video editing. So we've got the music, we've got the videos in them, we've got the transitions, we've got the beginning and end screen. What I'm going to do here now is I'm done, and I'm going to export this video. So I'll go up to the red button, red circle here, pick a name. Pick a spot to save that video. And then you're going to choose your how you want to export it. So I've been choosing this one here just because it looks nice in my opinion, and it will take a little bit longer. If I were to choose a one up here, it would be shorter, but I'm okay with this. And then we hit export, and now it's going through the process of compiling all of this stuff and making it into a video. And then eventually when it's done in 20-30 minutes, I'll upload this to YouTube. It'll be another 20-30 or more minutes depending on how long this video is. It's only 7 minutes, so it's not gonna take too long to put into YouTube. But there you go. This is my simple process for doing basic video editing. So this would be something that you could easily do as a student when you have to submit assignments, or you're just getting started into YouTube. And I mean, a year from now, I hope that I can have more advanced tools that I can be doing some of this editing with. Or maybe just get even better at using OpenShot, this tool that I'm using right here. If you enjoyed the video, please go ahead and like and subscribe. And I look forward to making a lot more cool videos on hacking and all kinds of cyber security type stuff. All right. Have a good one, everybody. Bye.